All right, welcome to Royal Palms if you've never been here. It's Sunday. I didn't look at the beach cams. I don't know if it was calm or not, but we're about to find out. Last week I found a few rings up in here, I believe. I think I found some stuff on the sand line here last week. So I heard a good sound there. My shoulder's so trashed. And this is what y'all don't see, but there's thousands of these I dig. I mean, I literally filled half of like a Walmart bag, which not Walmart. My pockets fill up with that shit. Nobody wants to see all that. There's something big. I'm gonna miss it. I don't know what it is. It's big. Oh, maybe I did get it. Found a lot of this here. There's live webcams at this place too. I don't know if y'all know, but if you look up, well, right in front of me on that pole, there's a webcam that faces due west. There's another webcam around that pole that faces due south, which is where the ships and stuff come in. So you can go Royal Palms, you can just Google Royal Palms live webcams, and it'll pull up. There's like 3 or 4 webcams around this place that run full time or 24 hours a day. So it's kind of cool, and they backlog it, so I can actually go back and find footage from me yesterday metal detecting. I'm upstairs there, but it's there for the taking. But that sounds healthy. Let us see what that is. Nope, missed it. It's loud. Oh, and solid. I'm pretty sure that's not a pull tab. One, pull tabs will read differently when you pinpoint them. So, I'm funny. I'll try to figure it out. I'll still dig it. Oh, what do we got here? I'm either missing it or they load the jet skis and stuff up in here right here, so there's no telling. It could be like a shackle or part of a chain. There's no telling what I'm digging at. Or it could be a ring and it could be in the scoop. Let's see. Oh, I see. I found one of these out here the other day. One of the little, I hope I'm holding this right for but you know, I hear all sorts of shitty targets, man. I mean, that's a bottle top 9 out of 10 times. I'm digging a bottle top right now, but it's solid. And what I mean by solid is it's loud. It's not a super deep target. This is a hard area to dig too. There's a lot of rocks and stuff around here, so it's not an easy area to be in either. I actually have to mask and snorkel. Yeah, I actually have to mask and snorkel in the truck, in case I wanted to go out, because it gets really rocky. But it's kind of rough, and then the bottom's going to be all stirred up. I'm not going to want to see anything. So it's probably not what's going to happen. So we'll see. Was it a bottle cap? Was I right? Watch it be a fucking gold ring and y'all will be like, oh, look how much shit. Oh, it was a ring though. What a dipshit. It is junk though. And it's probably made of the same shit as a bottle cap. Aluminum and steel. Alright, you got me. Maybe I should start digging everything. Fuck y'all. Anyway, 9 out of 10 times that'd have been a bottle cap. They sound, I say it sounds like a fart. It makes these weird fucking low tones, and it's never consistent. This became consistent after I moved the first shovel, and it moved. Once this moved, it sounded different. It sounded like a solid target at that point, but before it was that very low tone, broken up thing. So, but it did turn out to be a ring. It's funny. Maybe that's another reason to leave the camera running all the time, because, you know, don't listen to me. The fuck do I know? I mean, seriously, I'm just a guy on an island with a metal detector. I don't know nothing. Look at that. I know you guys see that a lot whenever y'all dig old coins. It's kind of rare that you can see it like that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that. Gold in the suit. There you go. Didn't sound like gold when I went after it. So. Nice.